po sa inyo lahat at nandito tayo ngayon sa dressing room ng mga girls.
Yes!
Tunay na behind the scene.
Let's come up inside. It is
Ito ang dressing room ni Tony, Bea, Iya, Nikki, Karil, at ni Yeng. Yes.
Go inside. Let's go to the window.
Pasok tayo, pasok.
Okay.
Ayan, ito na. Ito ang tunay na exclusive behind the scene.
Hi guys, Mela, Kim. Medyo ito, kanina ko pa nakikita mga kapamilya. Si Nikki medyo malungkot. Nikki, ba't mo malungkot? Sino ba tinitingnan mong picture dyan?
Kung gusto ko maiiyak siya, nagmo-motivate lang ako. Kasi syempre, inspiration natin buong ASAP. Itong picture na ito, ayan o. Buti may tayong si Billy maghati ng hair.
Billy
May
Joe.
tayo siya maghati ng hair. Ayan.
Sila po si Billy Joe Crawford.
FYI, Billy Joe.
At ito naman mga kaibigan, nakita na kompleto tayo. Ito may mga nagsaset up ng ilaw. Isa sa mga nagsaset.
Oy, may nagsaset.
Ay, Tony, artista ka ngayon. Bakit ka naman nagsaset ng ilaw?
Kasi ito talaga ang hobby ko sa dressing room eh. Ilawan kayong lahat.
Teka lang, asan ba tayo? Teka, dressing room ba tayo o nasa flight tayo? Ang dami mo naka-check-in na gamit. Hindi pa natin alam, nasa flight.
Hindi kasi ano na eh. Over ano na yung luggage. Ano ba?
Okay.
Oh, pero syempre naman, sa harap ko, sa likod ng camera, masarap talaga makabanding ang mga asap kapamilya.
Oy, oo na. Ayan, si Bea nag-BBS. Grabe kayo dito kayo. Ako nag-BBS si Bea. Dito kayo talaga kayo.
Teka lang, nagre-reklamo si Billy
Ito
Joe.
naman.
Ito na si Billy Joe, before and after.
Yes! Billy Joe! Yan, bago mag-That's Entertainment. Ito naman ang mga singers na masarap pakinggan kahit saan pa nag-relax. Kaya naman,
Chillax.
guys, put your hands together for Jota,
Jet, Yeng, and Gary V!
When you were young and your heart would be open, you used to say, live and let live.
the beauty of Thailand, the wonders of Malaysia, amazing city of Singapore. And now I return to Indonesia for another round of fun and adventure. This is Christian Bautista for ASAP All Access. It's my third time in Indonesia to promote my album Romance Revisited. First up, Jakarta City. I was really excited to do both my radio and TV interviews. Next up, Bali. I was so happy to meet some of my Indonesian fans and to see my album inside an Indonesian mall. The fun continues in Manado, where I perform for the governor. I'd like to thank the fans who supported me and all those who bought the album. Thank you so much. And now I'm off to New York. Why? Because we are going to celebrate the Philippine Independence Day, and I'm going to see Sarah Geronimo there. And watch out for the Sessionistas. They're going to be in Canada also. Abangan niyo yan dito lang sa ASAP All Access.